Welcome to the Small Biz Shop's instructional video series. In this session, we're going to review how to complete a mail merge using the wizard. This video can be used alone, or you can use it in conjunction with our one-page summary for using the 6 steps of the mail merge wizard. We're going to start with a blank document. To get started, we need to kick off the mail merge wizard. To do that, select the Mailings tab from the ribbon, and from the Start Mail Merge grouping, select the Start Mail Merge icon, and then select the Step-by-Step Mail Merge wizard. Once you do that, the Mail Merge task pane appears. Notice that we're currently on step 1 of 6, and that is to select the document type. We are going to complete a letter, so we're going to go to the next step. We're now on step 2 of 6. Select the starting document. We do have an existing document, so we're going to change that, and then we're going to browse for that document. We're going to open our mail merge sample letter. And now that we have the letter open, we're going to go to the next step. And this is where we select the recipients. We do have an existing list prepared, so we're going to browse for that listing. And we're going to go ahead, browse to, and open that. And the data is on the first sheet, and the columns do have a data header. So we're going to leave this checked and select OK. Now, once you receive the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box, notice that you can perform actions to refine the list, such as sort, filter, remove duplicates, and some other actions. We're going to go ahead and select the defaults in this case and select OK. Now that we've selected our recipients, we're going to go to our next step. We're now on step 4 of 6, write your letter. Now notice, if you haven't already done so, you can write your letter now. That's if you're working from a blank document. In this case, that's already done, so we're going to add recipient information. So over here on the letter, there's 4 placeholders in existence. We're going to highlight the address block placeholder, and then from the task pane, select the address block. This gives us options for how we'd like to format it. We're going to accept the defaults, and in the preview pane, you can see how those are going to look. Let's go ahead and select OK to insert the address block. If the placeholder didn't remove completely, just manually delete that. And now we're going to select the next placeholder, which is agreed for the greeting line. And from the task pane, we're going to select the greeting line. In this case, let's go ahead from the drop down, scroll down, and select first name only, and insert that. Again, if the placeholder didn't delete, just manually delete it. Now the next 2 fields are specific data fields for each recipient. So I'm going to select the first placeholder, event name, and now we need to select the more items, and this displays all of the fields in the database. So I'm going to select event name, insert that, and close the dialog box. Now I lost my space, so I'm going to go ahead and insert the space back. Now I'm going to highlight the event date, and again select more items so I can see the listing of all the fields. Select event date, insert, and again close the dialog box. Now inserted all 4 data fields. So next we're going to go to the next step, step 5 of 6, which is preview your letters. From here you can scroll backward or forward to see what those letters are going to look like. If everything looks okay, you're ready to go to the next step. So we're now on step 6 of 6, which is complete the merge. This is where you can either print or edit the letters. If you choose to print, you'll be brought directly to the print dialog box. I like to edit the individual letters first. And you can select the current record, a range of records, or all the records. I'm going to select all the records. And what you now have is a single document with the letter merged with the contact information for each recipient. That concludes the mail merge session. If you'd like to learn more, please contact the Small Biz Shop at 888-448-4461. Thank you.